I ain't gonna cap, this is definitely one of the ones. I'm about to show y'all how to make the perfect roasted garlic mashed potatoes. They were so rich, smooth, and creamy. Full recipe link in my bio. So first things first, we're gonna roast off some garlic. Hit that with some seasoning into the oven for about an hour. Now while that's going, we're gonna take the time to peel our potatoes. That's very essential. Now to some salted water, we're just gonna boil our potatoes. As that's boiling, we're gonna warm up some heavy cream, add in some fresh chives as well. After about 15-20 minutes, your potatoes should be fork tender. Now, this part is essential. We're going to add our potatoes to a ricer. This is going to ensure that smooth consistency. Now, to our potatoes, we're going to add in our heavy cream mixture. Give that a nice mix. Add in some melted butter. Give that a nice mix as well. Add in that garlic we roasted from earlier, some garlic salt, and some Parmesan cheese as well. Look how nice and smooth these come out. I promise you, you're going to absolutely love this. And you can make these anytime, whether it's for Thanksgiving, just for a traditional side, don't matter. Finish that off with some unsalted butter. Garnish this off with some fresh chives. And there you have it. And one thing about it, two things for sure. Chef D, the real GOAT. Make sure you follow for more. No cap.